everybody, it's me, Madison, and I have no makeup on today because I'm doing something a little bit different. Well, I've been wanting to get this done for a while, but it's like $200 to get it done professionally. That was only, there he goes. But it's like $200 to get it done professionally. I've been wanting lash extensions or a lash lift or something, and lash lifts are like $200, and I do not have that kind of money right now because I spent it on. And then I've been wanting lash extensions, but that's like, we just can't find a good place right now to do it because like I don't want my eye blowing up. But this company actually reached out and they sent me this, their name is Renikva, and they sent me their lash lift. So I'm really excited to do this. That's why I don't have any makeup on, but I'm going to show you what's in it. But here's the lash lift. All the background noise is because my cat's bouncing off the walls. So yeah, and he's crazy. So first are the lash lift tools, and I'll show you what this is. More than one time use too. You can use it more than one time. Okay, so it comes with this thingy, and it comes with some spoolies, and then it comes with these things to put the product on. And then, okay, so now it comes with the, so these cover your lower lashes during the lash lift. Here are eye patches. Oh, so it's like a relaxing thing? Okay, we'll do that. So now you have the lift pads, which are the things that you glue your eyelashes to. They have a bunch of them, little gel pads that you put on your eyelashes on. I'm guessing you can reuse them if you just wash them. And then they have this thing called clean tools, clean off the residue. Oh, it's that thing. This is what you just push up your eyelashes on the thing. And you get 3 of those. Okay, and then for the actual products, you have the false lashes glue, the lash perm, the fixation, the nutrition, and then the cleanser. And they're all in like little bottles. My mom's gonna help me do this because I don't want to mess up my lashes because I've never done this before. The first step is use a cleanser solution to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. So we're just using a Q-tip. I guess you can use a little cotton pad. I assume it's to clean the lids and all the grime off your lashes. So, and don't do both eyes at a time. I would recommend, if you've never done this before, just do one eye at a time. Next is use the eye pads under the eyelids to protect your skin from perming solution. So, the eye pads that came with the kit. There's actually 2 in the package. Next is to place lift pad that base shapes your eye. Place it over your eyelid, right above your eyelashes. Okay, there's 4 different sizes on these lifts. They go from small, medium, medium 1, and large. So you have to figure out which one is best for your eyes, your eye shape. So for Madison, we're going to go with the small because it fits her eyes good. Her lashes aren't like crazy long, so she doesn't need that ridge that goes up as high, because if you put one that's too big, it won't curl up as much. That makes sense. So that's that. And you don't glue this part to your lid. At least that's what I understand it to be. So make sure you get it on there. You don't have any lashes that are in the way. This is this little tool. You can make sure
that all lashes are above.
Next is apply false lashes glue onto eyelashes and left pad.
Okay, this is where we get serious. So we're actually
make sure you get my inner corner.
Put the glue on the lift pads. Hopefully the cat won't come out here and scare me, then I get glue in her eyes. So we're doing the glue. So this is the false lash glue. And then we're putting this on her lashes, and then we're going to pull it up.
You put it on both.
Oh, this part in that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well okay. So you said we're going to put it on here, and then we're going to put it on the lashes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I apologize if it's not in the shot, but I think it is, unless the cat moved it again. But you want to be really careful with the glue not to get it on your eyes. So now we're going to get the tool that it came with, and we're going to actually make it stick. So we need to put some lash glue on the lashes too. So don't get frustrated when you're trying this for the first time. It's all a learning experience. The more you do it, the better you'll get. Just be real careful since you're working around the eye. So far, is this uncomfortable in any way?
Mm-mm.
Make sure you really get the inner corner put in. If you need to put a little bit more glue, because I
the ends.
See some that are sticking up. She's got like a lot of little new hairs coming in, so they're not the same length as the others. You gotta really make sure you get those in there too. See, I already see some in the inner corner popping out again. So like, don't be in a rush to do this. Take your time. Oh, and here we have the kitty. Okay. Now I'm going to get this tool, which is going to help me. I don't want them to set up and clump together, so I want to just use this to separate it a little bit. So right now, do you feel, is your eye irritated or anything?
No.
It feels okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we've done with that step.
It has to set for 1 minute.
So we're gonna let this set.
Apply perm solution 1 onto eyelashes and cover with plastic film for 8 to 12 minutes.
So it's been a minute. The glue is dried on there. So now we're going to get the Lash perm solution. And it says to get saran wrap. So make sure you have the saran wrap before you start this, because it didn't tell me. Well, if you would have read the directions first, you would have known to get it. So we're going to use this little applicator that came with. And I'm sure this is going to smell like perm solution. So it's not going to smell good.
Alright, then my eyes are gonna burn.
Okay, so we're going to dip this in here. Wipe off the excess.
They put off a lot. Like they layer it.
Put it on.
Ew.
Just make sure
Like
you don't get
burn.
it in the eye, because this would really irritate the eye. Make sure you saturate all the lashes really good. Okay. So after you put that on, you wait 8 to 12 minutes and you put the plastic film on. So I just got a little piece of saran wrap and then just cover it up like that. And just, whoever's doing this, just tell them to chill out for 8 to 12 minutes, and then we'll go on to the next step. So the timer just went off. It's been 12 minutes. I'm just gonna get a clean Q-tip and wipe off any excess that's on here. Now, did that burn your eyes or anything?
No.
So now we're going to go with step 2. It's called the fixation solution number 2. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to put this on there. Again, don't use the same wand that you used to put the perm solution on. Use another wand so you're not cross-contaminating stuff. And this one you're also going to leave on for 8 to 12 minutes. And again, make sure you coat the lashes with this because you need to make the perming solution stop working. Almost basically like getting the perm on your hair. You have the perm solution, then you have what I used to call a neutralizer where it stops the perming to work. So coat the lashes real good. And don't stress out. If it's your first time doing it, take your time. 8 to 12 minutes. And then we'll be right back. So now that's been 12 minutes. So now it says to put number 3, which is nutrition. So we're going to put that on there. I'm going to get another clean Q-tip. Kind of wipe off whatever excess that you can see on the lids. So after you put that on, so you can take the bottom piece off. She said she didn't like those, the whole process, that's what itched her the most. So all we did was put the oil on, then took the lift off, and then we're cleaning it up. We're gonna go ahead and do the other eye and we'll be right back.
I inserted some pictures, but here's my lashes with the perm. I can really see a difference. I don't curl my lashes and they're already like this. So yeah. So the only thing I wish it did include was a dye tint thing like they usually do when you get a lash lift. But yeah, because then you can see more of a difference. But yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!